Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to know if you can or can't upgrade your PC to Windows 11 with PC Health Checker tool. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. I will put the link in the description for download this PC Health Checker tool. It's easy for you. Download this PC Health Checker tool from Microsoft Windows 11 official website. Now there you can see check for capability. Use the PC Health Checker app to see if your current PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. If so, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. So now click on download app. Now you can see the app is downloading. Once you download this app, go to download location. Now there you can see this setup file. Now you have to simply install this setup file to your PC. Once you install this, you can automatically open this. Now we are going to check if PC can or can't upgrade to Windows 11. Now click on there, check now. Within 2-3 seconds you can see the final result. They says this PC can run Windows 11. Now there also you can see a description. Great news. This PC meets all the system requirements for Windows 11 and it's free. We will let you know when it's ready to install. It means after release Windows 11 you can go to system updates and now from here you can update your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 for free. If you are using a cracked Windows, then you can see this error message, and also you can see this error message when less system requirements also. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video.